Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Luke Meddings, and we're going to be doing 3 sessions. The theme is modeling unplugged, looking at ways to visualize unplugged practice, and especially how we can situate it within the context of our normal teaching routine. There is a first session called Lines and Paths. The lines are the roads, if you like, that have been built for us. That could be the curriculum, the syllabus, the course book, the exam that's coming up. The paths are the routes that we naturally would take with a little bit more freedom of choice. I'm going to look at some examples from outside the classroom to bring this to life. One of them is desire paths. This is what happens when in a park you see that there are regular paths that are paved, where we're kind of being told to go down, and there are paths that we've made over time by crossing the grass in our own direction and to follow our own needs. We'll also be having some fun with a board game called Snakes and Ladders and thinking about what the implications are for our teaching work when we notice, in terms of everyday interaction with our learners, that they're still missing some of the language that in theory they've covered off across the syllabus, but they're also reaching for stuff that we haven't yet taught them. All of this can make our teaching more responsive to student needs and can help prepare them for real-world conversation and real-world language use.